everyone, I'm Shweta and you are watching English with Shweta Sansaronath, my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna teach you some important pronunciation. This would definitely help you to understand native speakers. Mostly native speakers speaks these things, and you can easily understand English movies, English commentary, English serials. So this would help you to understand native speakers and these all the conversation which are happening in all over the world. So here I'm going to introduce one word, that is reduction. So today I'm going to make you learn reduction. Reduction means reduce. Reduce means to do something shorter, smaller, and that is the most important thing which native speakers do. So today you are gonna learn this thing. Here I am gonna tell you 8 reductions with grammar in one video. So it would be very interesting and helpful for you. It is worth wonder for you. So here let's see. First reduction is gonna. Gonna is reduction of going to. Next is wanna. Wanna, it means reduction of want to. Gotta. Gotta. Gotta means have got to. Have to. Have to. Have to. It means have to. Compulsion. Coulda. 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 This is the combination of could have. Could have. Next, shoulda. 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 Combination of should have. Should have. Next is woulda. 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 This is the combination of would have. Would have. The next, must have and shorter. Must have. Now let's try to do short much more. Musta. Musta. So let's speak gonna, wanna, gotta, haveta, coulda, shoulda, woulda, musta. Sounds really different and wonderful now. Really these reductions are gonna help you to understand native speakers, to understand English movies, commentary, English serials. This is wonderful thing. Actually this English language, connect the word. It just try to short the word. If you know this language and if you can speak like native speakers, it would definitely help you to communicate in all over the world. So it would definitely help you, and I would say that please enjoy this thing, and after finishing this class try to speak much more. I think according to me you should try to speak right now here. So here I tried to just explain with grammar also, with lots of example. So verb, it means what is action. Sing, dance, eat, to do anything. Khana, sona, pina, rona, gana, whatever. And now at the last I wrote Hindi also. With the help, if you are from Hindi background, so it would definitely help you also to understand new grammar. And if you are well known of English language, then it would be also beneficial for you to understand reductions, because mostly people, they are actually able to talk in English language, but they don't know how to reduce the word and how to speak like native speakers. Let's have some examples of related to this grammar. First we take gonna. So gonna, it means whatever you are going to do something, जो कुछ भी आप करने जा रहे हैं. So I'm gonna take a bath, I'm gonna talk to her, I'm gonna go over there, I'm not gonna talk to her, I'm not gonna do any kind of thing for you. So these kind of things you can use. Now next is wanna. Wanna, it means whatever you want to do. It means जो भी आप करना चाहते हैं. I wanna become a doctor, I wanna help poor, I wanna do something for women empowerment. So like this you can use whatever you wanna do. And there's one very famous and very well known dialogue of Ranbir Kapoor. मैं चलना चाहता हूँ, मैं दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं गिरना चाहता हूँ, बट मैं रुकना नहीं चाहता नैना. So I wanna walk, I wanna run, I wanna fly, I wanna fall, but I don't wanna stop नैना. Now next grammar is gotta. Gotta it means whatever जो भी आपको करना है. वर्ब लिखे हुए यहाँ पे, इसका मतलब है खाना, सोना, पीना, रोना, गाना means all the actions whatever you do. And Hindi is also written over here just because to make understand who are beginners for this language. Next grammar is gotta. 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 This is the combination of have to. Gotta it means I gotta go over there, मुझे वहाँ जाना है. I gotta eat ice cream, मुझे आइसक्रीम खानी है. I gotta talk to her, मुझे उससे बात करनी है. Next is have to. Have to. Have to means compulsion. This is the combination of have to, reduction of have to. I have to go to school, मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. I have to cook food, मुझे खाना बनाना पड़ता है. I have to listen scoldings, मुझे डांट सुननी पड़ती है. I have to follow all the instruction of teachers. I have to do homework. I have to study much more, मुझे बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है. Like this there are many examples. आप सब लोग जो घर में बैठे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं आजकल, जितने भी लोग हैं ऑनलाइन, तो आप लोगों को बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ रहा है, लिखना पड़ रहा है. So you can speak. I would say that speak with me this grammar. Practice all the grammar, all the pronunciation. Practice all the reductions which are from 8 grammar. So it is gonna very important and it is gonna very interesting. Gonna. I used this now. Now next is coulda. 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 This is the reduction of could have. Means जो हम कर सकते हैं. So तुम मुझसे बात कर सकते थे. This is the past of can. So could have it means past grammar. तुम मुझसे बात कर सकते थे. You could have talked to me. So इसको short अगर करेंगे, so you could have talked to me. You could have gone over there. You could have cooked food. तुम खाना बना सकते थे. You could have helped your mom. तुम तुम्हारी माँ की help कर सकते थे. Next is should have. This is the reduction of should have. So should have it means तुम्हें मुझसे बात करनी चाहिए थी. You should have talked to me. Just keep it one thing in your mind with coulda, shoulda, woulda, musta. You would use third form of verb, right? So you should have talked to me. तुम्हें मुझसे बात करनी चाहिए थी. You should have gone over there. तुम्हें वहाँ जाना चाहिए था. You should have helped her. तुम्हें उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए थी. Next is woulda. This is the combination of would have. It means तुम वहाँ गए तो होते, तुमने उससे बात की होती, अरे अभी गिर गए होते, अभी तुम गिर गई होती. So you would have fallen. So तुमने उनकी बातें सुनी होती. You would have listened her talk. मतलब उसकी तुमने बात सुनी होती. तुमने उनके इंस्ट्रक्शन तो फॉलो किए होते. You would have followed their instructions. So like this you can use this grammar. Many sentences you can make yourself and enjoy this grammar and you're gonna have fun with this. Next is musta. Musta. This is the grammar of complain. Like, तुमने तो दिन भर टीवी देखी होगी. So you must have watched TV full day. तुमने तो सारा दिन गेम खेला होगा. So you must have played game full day. तुम वहाँ गए होगे. You must have gone over there. तुमने लड़ाई की होगी. You must have fought. तुमने बहस की होगी. तुमने ज़रूर बहस की होगी. So you must have argued like this. Now all reductions I have taught you in one video with grammar and with lots of examples. So if you wanna get more videos like this, so you gotta subscribe this channel. you gotta hit the bell icon, and then you gotta speak English with me. You gotta watch all the videos. You gotta follow all the instructions, whatever I am giving to you. You gotta speak much more. You gotta practice of English. You gotta speak like native speakers, and you gotta practice much more. You gotta write down many sentences in your copy. You gotta talk to people, and you gotta wait for my next video.